What is the value of C1 by 2 plus C3 by 4 plus C5 by 6 plus plus Cn by n plus 1? We know the binomial expansion 1 plus x to the power n equal to C0 plus C1x plus C2 into x square plus plus Cn into x to the power n. Now put n equal to 3 here. What we get? 1 plus x cube equal to C0 plus C1 into x plus C2 into x square plus C3 into x cube. Now expanding this 1 plus 3x plus 3x square plus x cube equal to C0 plus C1x plus C2x square plus C3x cube. Now comparing C0 equal to 1, C1 equal to 3, C2 equal to 3 and C3 equal to 1. Now for n equal to 3 we just calculate these two terms. So we get C1 by 2 plus C3 by 4 which is equal to C1 that means 3 by 2 plus C3 that means 1 by 4. So we get 7 by 4. Now for n equal to 3 we can check which options gives the value 7 by 4. Now if we put in this option C n equal to 3 we get 2 to the power 3 that means 8 minus 1 by n plus 1 that is 3 plus 1 that is we get 7 by 4. So C is the right answer.